all you do is say the word sit, blow the whistle. Heel. 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 Come on, heel. Dogs don't understand language, they understand tone. This dog now understands the tone of this whistle. Heel. You can teach your dog to, no, here, heel, come on, baby. To understand whistle commands, but you have to spend the time doing it. If you don't do it, they're never going to pick it up. Right, Lola? Lola's awesome. Oh, good. Lola, sit. Here, heel. No, sit. Say sit, blow the whistle. Here. Heel. Heel. You're good. You're good, little sis. No, sit. Here. Sit. Say the word here, blow the whistle. Let's start picking it up. Here, heel. Sit. Heel. Sit. Good, heel. Sit. Heel. Here. Sit. Boy, you're good. It's a good dog. Heel. Yeah, we're here. Here. Heel. That's pretty good. That's pretty good, sis. Pretty good. I use a whistle with a hard-headed dog too. Like say it's here for behavioral problems, aggression, whatever. I'll use it when the dog's standing next to me, because I know that because it creates a large pressure wave, that the dog can hear it far away, and it's similar to you standing right next to the dog. Whistles can be very helpful. This dog lives in the country, but as a training tool, they can be very helpful too. But I'm just conditioning this in real fast. I want her to have this experience because she is going home, and she lives in a pretty rural area. They do hunting, so you know, if she's out of earshot, she'll never be out of earshot with this. That's what I'm saying. If you're casting a dog and they, you know, they're real far away and they're not listening to you, you can blow the whistle to get them to stop. Sit. Sit. Blow it. Good girl. Here. You got it. Jump over that branch. Heel. You're awesome, dude. Here. Heel. Sit. Now you're going to bring it up. Sit. No. No. Blow it. Good girl. Heel. Here, heel. Go, heel, come on. Oh, you gotta pick that up. Stop. Good girl. Go, sit. No! Oh, you cheated. No! 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 Wheel! Heel! Come on, buddy, heel. That's awesome, man. Nice job. Nice job, dude. Sit. That's good. Heel. This is 16 gauge. He can do a 12. He's good to go.